Alright guys, today I will be teaching you how to build a gaming computer. You will need 2 sticks of RAM. I only have one, my second one will get here in a month. Next thing you'll need is a graphics card and a fan. Graphics card is in the bottom, but we got these wires. My brother said we don't need them, but hey, we still got them. Here we have this heavy thing, really heavy. I don't know what it is. And then, of course, you need a tower. We just got this cheap one. It works really good. Next, grab cat. And put the cat in a box. For extra protection on his travels. And now, you abandon all of your hope. And check on Cat. If he's still in there. Is he still alive? Yep. The cat is fine. 5 weeks later, make sure he's died of starvation. Yeah, he looks pretty starved. I do not abuse cats. This is, not abuse. And now you sit in the chair. And since your school assignments are taking about 5 hours to load, you spin around. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video on how to make a gaming PC. You also need a motherboard, and like I said, another stick of RAM. But like I said, gaming PC will be here soon, don't worry. And, yeah, I hope this helped all of you on how to build a gaming PC. If you have any more questions about how to build a gaming PC and what all the steps are, then please feel free to comment, and, well, I'll see ya.